Good morning, children. Lesson number 18 in your grammar textbook, phrases and its kinds. So in this PPT, in this video, we will be seeing the definition of phrases, the different kinds of phrases, that is noun phrase, adjective phrase and prepositional phrase also. Now, as I said, adjective phrase, here also one head word will be there, and that head word will be an adjective here. So here the group of words that act as an adjective. So that phrase will be functioning as an adjective in the sentence. Usually you can see like a noun immediately after this adjective phrase, but not always. Okay, sometimes a noun can be anywhere in that sentence, and this phrase will be giving more details about that noun. It is made up of an head adjective and other words. It may have strings of adjectives together, like when I say she has extremely beautiful blue eyes. So these words, extremely beautiful blue, this is an adjective phrase. Okay, because this is strings of adjectives are used here. And if I include eyes also, it will become a noun phrase. Okay, because it is answering what she has. Okay, now but if I'm just taking that adjectives only here, it will become an adjective phrase. It is usually followed by the noun, it modifies, or preceded by the noun, it modifies. And it is answering the question, what kind of? There are many examples given here. The girl with brown hair is singing a song. So with brown hair, you can see like this is an adjective phrase because as it is mentioning, as it is giving more details about that girl. Your apple pie smells very tempting. So here again very tempting. So here it is, you can see like it is not followed by the noun, but here it is like very tempting is we are giving details about that apple pie. That's why it is an adjective phrase. Everyone was extremely delighted when the winner was announced. Okay, a dog covered in mud makes a mess in a car. So here just immediately after that noun. So adjectives will be describing any noun in that sentence. Usually it will be followed by a noun or it can be preceded by a noun as well. Now prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase, it will include the preposition, then the object of preposition and any modifiers that might be included. Like if I'm using in the garden, see it starts with the preposition. So the garden is actually the object of the preposition in. Suppose like, but it is a prepositional phrase. On the roof, under a tree, behind the curtain. Example, they will fish by the river. So you can see like here, what is the preposition in this sentence? By. Okay, so the river is can be used like it is the object of the preposition by. Okay, the river, it is the object of the preposition by. So here the word you can see like by is the preposition, object is river, and the modifier that is used here is the. It is not necessary like there will be always a modifier in the prepositional phrase, not necessary. Sometimes it will be just a preposition and a noun or something can also come. Now prepositional phrase, it consists of a preposition and a noun or a pronoun. Sometimes a modifier can also be there. It will be functioning as an adjective or as an adverb in the sentence. It starts with a preposition and ends with an object noun, like on the in the river or by the river. In the last slide, as we had seen, by starting with a preposition and ends with an object noun, that is river. There may be one or more words before the object of the preposition. Okay, structure, it will be preposition plus the modifier plus noun. They met over a Chinese lunch. So over is the preposition, is used as a modifier. Chinese lunch, you can see like it isn't used as an adjective, and the noun is lunch. It may be a part of the noun phrase, the garden with green grass. Again you can see like if I'm including with green grass, it can be considered as a prepositional phrase, but if I'm just including green grass, I will consider it as a noun phrase. The man in the grey jacket is the stuntman. We walk through the long dark tunnel. The prepositional phrase, it will start with a preposition, and that is how it is different from on a noun or adjective phrase. Okay, so a noun phrase or adjective phrase can also be a prepositional phrase. On it will also look like a prepositional phrase, but if I'm including the preposition also, it will become a prepositional phrase. See here, the book with the tattered cover has been read many times. So with the tattered cover, so it is an adjective, but here it is giving more details about that book. So here the prepositional phrase is functioning as an adjective. See, tell me the story about the dragon's lair. So about the dragon's lair, so here you can see like these words about the dragon's lair, it is giving more details about that story. It is functioning as an adjective. Okay, the prepositional phrase, as it is starting with a preposition, it is a prepositional phrase, but it is functioning as an adjective. The gift inside the big box is for my brother. Again, you can see like the gift inside the big box. Okay, inside the big box, it is also functioning as an adjective only, but as it is starting with the preposition, it is a prepositional phrase functioning as an adjective. Okay, so children, in this PPT we have covered the definition of phrases and the different types of phrases. Actually, phrases are of noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, and prepositional phrase and adverb phrase. But this year we have only noun phrase, adjective phrase, and prepositional phrase. Thank you.